Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can boost your PC for gaming and Windows itself so it works fast. So let's get started. How you can do this is just by disabling some services, and let's see how you can do it, and let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is go here on Start and type in System Configuration. This is the first one, and here we're gonna click on Boot and click on Advanced Options, and here for you maybe here it's unchecked, so we're gonna click on this, check this number of processors, and make sure you select the highest that's possible for your PC. Sometimes it will show a little bit less than it should be, so if it shows less than your cores of your CPU, click OK and click Apply, click here OK and restart your PC, and then come back to this again, to this page, and click Advanced Options again, and here maybe you will have more CPU cores here. This is all the cores of your CPU, so make sure all of them are enabled and click OK, and make sure click here on Apply. And now we go to Services, and make sure you click, this is very important, to click this Hide All Microsoft Services. And here, for example, this is all the services installed on your PC. So for example, if you don't want Google Chrome to be updating in the background like here, as you can see I disable it, so it randomly updates your Google Chrome. So if you don't want that, just go and disable like I have here. So I disable Google Chrome updating itself automatically, and this overwolf updater, because it always in the background it works. So I just disabled it, so every time I run the program it will search for updates, so much more less for Windows to work in the background, so you get a result a little bit better performance. It's not using that much CPU because it's not that much in the background staying. And all of these other services you can see here for yourself, which ones you don't want to disable and which one do you need, which one you don't need. So this is just preference. So that's it. We're gonna go here on Startup and click on Open Task Manager, and here on Startup again you have to select only the programs that you really need to be started in the background when you start your PC. So for example, I don't want this Copilot, then the Skype Overwolf launcher and many other things I disabled. I have more disabled things that they are enabled, so you can enable and disable a lot of things. And here's the startup impact, as you can see the degree of impact on your CPU and disk activity. So if it's high, then it's pretty high impact on your CPU, and if it's low, it's pretty low impact on the CPU. So you can choose whichever do you want here, which you don't need. So these are usually the programs that I just use here, and others I don't really use that much, so I disable them so they don't launch in the background when I start my PC. Then we're gonna click here on OK, this configuration, and click here on Restart. Now I do recommend you to not skip this step, to go to Start and type in Restore, create a restore point, and click on this and click on Create. And here you can name this whichever do you want, this restore point, disable services. Let's say for example I want to name this and click on create, and here Windows will just create just in case something bad happens, but it should not happen anything bad to your PC, because you just are disabling some user programs that you installed before, and that's pretty much it. Click on close here, and now if you want to go back to your all the disabled services, just click here System Restore and click here on Next, and then here you will select which one do you want, as you can see here, and click on Next, and you will see to restart to the previous if something goes bad. Another thing that you can try, as you can see for me here, if I click on Start, as you can see it's pretty quickly coming up, Start, and it's going back down. It's not fading and all of that kind of sliding up and sliding down. So how I did that is just by going here on the Adjust, type in Adjust, the appearance, and it will show you here adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. And here you're gonna click on visual effects and click here custom, and here you will have all of these settings here that I do recommend you to disable because you don't really need them, and this is all perfectly fine for me to just go like this, and you basically make less animations of your windows, so it works better because it doesn't have to animate all of that stuff. So I do recommend you still to enable peek, show thumbnails instead of icons, windows contents while dragging, and smooth edges of screen fonts. Click here OK, and that's pretty much it. Comment down below if you suggest any tutorial video. I will try to make a video about it and trying to find a solution for it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video. Bye.